Good morning students, hope you all are well. So our today's video is about the forest ecosystem. So forests are large areas of land and it's covered by different kind of trees. It can be tall tree, short trees, shrubs, herbs, different kind of trees. So in forest there is different varieties of plants and animals, and the forest ecosystem contains both the biotic components and the abiotic components, means both the living organisms and the non-living things also. So let's see what are the structure of the forest ecosystem. So there are different layers. The first layer is emergent layer. So in this layer all the tall trees are present, and these tall trees can get the maximum sunlight. Okay, next is canopy layer. So in this layer some less taller trees are present and it is spread throughout the forest, and it form a thick shade or a layer over all other plants. That's why the name canopy. Next is woody climbers. So these are the some small vines and that climb up the branches of the trees for reaching the sunlight. Next layer is understory layer, and this layer has all the young and very short trees. So it contains some small bushes, shrubs and herbs, and which are soft stemmed. Okay, this kind of plants are there. And the last is the forest floor. So this layer does not get the sunlight properly. Okay, and it is called the ground layer of the forest. Okay, it is called the ground layer of the forest because in that layer all the fallen leaves, fallen trees, old trees, all these are there, and also microorganisms are present in that ground floor or on the forest floor. Next, there is different types of forest. So we have different types of forest all over the world. So the first is tropical rainforest. So this kind of forest are found along the equator region between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and these are called that forest is called the tropical rainforest. So why they are called rainforest? Because in that particular region where tropical rainforest is situated, there is huge rainfall in that region, more than 200 centimeter. Okay, so Amazon or Amazonia is the world's largest tropical rainforest. So let's see what are the diversity of plants and animals there. So first is flora. Flora means the diversity of plant in a forest. Okay, so in this tropical rainforest there are many varieties of plants, and all of them are evergreen trees like rubber, ebony, mahogany, like this, and some small or smallest plants also there like orchid, moss, fern, etc. So this is the tropical rainforest. Now let's see what is the faunal diversity. Fauna means it refers to the diversity of animal in a ecosystem or in the forest. So fauna refers to the animals that found in that particular area or in the tropical rainforest. So as there is the dense growth of the plants in the tropical rainforest, so it provides home for a large variety of animals, birds, and also for microorganisms. So let's see which type of animals are present there. So animals like monkeys, bats, jaguar means leopard, gorilla, snake, lizard, sloth bear, tree frog means huge diversity, and birds like macaw, toucans, parrot, hornbill, and sunbirds, this kind of birds are present there, and also insects like ants, mosquito, butterflies, bugs, all this kind of faunal diversity is present in the tropical rainforest. Next is the temperate forest. So temperate forest, this kind of forest is located above the tropics. Okay, so there can be two types of temperate forest. One is temperate deciduous forest and temperate evergreen forest. So let's see what is the flora and faunal diversity. So in these two temperate forests, there are different kind of floral and faunal diversity. So in temperate deciduous forest, it mostly contain trees that shed their leaves once a year. They shed all their leaves once in a year, like maple, elm, beech, like this. And this forest also contains some small bushes, grasses, shrubs, herbs, etc. And in temperate evergreen forest, these trees do not shed all their leaves once in a time. Means as their evergreen forest, like the oak, fig, like this kind of trees. And what are the faunas are present there? So which animals are present in this temperate forest? They are well adapted to the cold climate. Okay, so the animals like mountain lion, koala, squirrel, black bear, these animals are present in this temperate forest. And birds like barrel owl, eagle, pileated woodpeckers, and this kind of birds are found in the temperate forest. So this is the temperate forest. Next is boreal forest. Boreal forests are found toward the north portion of the temperate forest, around Canada, Siberia, Mongolia, Russia. Okay, and this kind of forest have a special name that is called taigas. Okay, that means boreal forest also known as taigas. Okay, so the boreal forest contain mainly the coniferous trees. Okay, coniferous trees means pine trees. So these trees have very small and needle like appearance. The leaves of the trees are small and needle like in shape, and they have cones on the top of each branches, and inside the cones there is seeds. From that cones it names as coniferous trees. And the animals found in the boreal forest, they are also well adapted to the cold and harsh climate. So they have a thick coat or thick fur to protect themselves from cold, like wolves, fox, bear, moose, like this kind of animals are found in boreal forest. So this is the boreal forest, and all these trees are the coniferous trees.